Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new and don't know me, my name is Jamie. So today I am at Target and we're gonna go in and see if they have their summer stuff in the dollar spot. I'm really hoping that they do because I went there about a week ago and they were just getting rid of all their spring decor. So I'm hoping that at this point they should have it all in. So I'm crossing my fingers, and if you guys are interested, keep watching because I'm going to take you along with me on this shop with me in the dollar spot and see everything that they have. So keep watching, and if you guys are new and have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified every time I post a new video. So let's go ahead and see everything they have. Target has such cute summer beach theme items this year. I am really loving the colors they chose for the decorations. I am loving this tray for $5. I can see this looking really cute on a table with some candles and seashells. And these paddles for $3 are adorable as well. And that is actually a great price for these. I can see you stacking them, you know, one on top of the other in like a lake house or something. So cute. So this mirror is a cute little option for Mother's Day, or these picture frames are really cute for $3. I'm really liking the blue and white one for that nautical room look. I think that would look really cute in like a boy's room. And they even have that tan and white one. And this sea decor is so cute, and it's giving me some major ideas for a do-it-yourself, and this one as well. I'm just really loving the colors, guys. I think the colors they picked this year are so adorable and just perfect for summer. So they have a lot of cute planters for $5, and they also have this beaded hanging one for $5 as well, which is a very popular design going on right now that I am absolutely loving. And they also have a lot of black and white stuff going on. So this candle holder here is only $1. They really have a lot of the Hawaiian theme decorations going on, a lot of cute stuff for barbecues or just any summer get-together. And they also have bridal decorations and wedding decorations. How adorable. I really wish they had this stuff when I got married. This little board here for $3, and I'm really loving this guest book frame with those little wood hearts. That is so cute. And these plates are really nice for $5. I really love the clear crystal look to those. And if you guys are having a bachelorette party, how adorable would these be for all your bridesmaids and the bride-to-be? And here's more of the Hawaiian theme decorations. This stuff would seriously be great for a get-together, a luau, And these little cushions for $5 are so cute. I really like the green and tan one. I mean, $5 is a great price for these. You're not going to get them any cheaper. This pineapple jar is so adorable. I love the golden white one. And these string lights for $5 are so cute. And they have a lot of options for banners if you guys are having a luau party. I love the pineapple one, and I also love this aloha. How cute is that? And here is all the baby stuff for baby showers. This sign is so cute for $3. I love the sign. And they have so many cute options for your baby shower. This is only $3. And I really love this month's block set. They have 3 options. So they have the pink for the girls, they have the blue for the boys, and then they also have neutral. So if you don't know what you're having, that one is definitely the option to go with. And they also have these months little cards to put next to your baby. They also have these teacher gifts. If you guys are looking for any teacher appreciation gift ideas, Target is definitely the place to come. Everything is $3. These are $3 as well. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. And also, if you guys have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified when I post a new video. And other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.